So what we've got here is a Velosolex 3800 and we have installed a new brake cable. We have an issue with tension at the back here. It turns out there is an adjustment just behind the crank up here. A 9mm spanner, taking this lever off. 9mm socket, I should say. Let's see what we got. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a hole where the cable kind of goes in. Where are we? So we'll try and see what's what with that. Rotates around the bolt inside there. That is threaded, just about to see. Pull that up there and try and align everything. As we have the adjuster relocated under the, just above the crank, and as you can see, that is the adjustment. Don't know if you can see that, pulling the arm at the back. So find out where it needs to be and take it up on this 9mm bolt here. That's where my adjustment ended up being, to take up the slack in this cable. That's locked up on that 9mm bolt. So if you look at the movements on the lever, halfway in and pulling up on the back wheel. Happy with that.